In a sharp political statement, the All India Congress Committee AICC leader in charge of Meghalaya, Matthew Anthony, has alleged that the BJP government fabricated the National Herald case with the intention of targeting the Gandhi family. Addressing the media today, Anthony claimed that central investigative agencies, including the Enforcement Directorate, are being misused to falsely implicate the Congress leadership, the Gandhi family, and the Associated Journals Limited. He maintained that there was no evidence of financial misappropriation or wrongdoing in the case. According to Anthony, the BJP's actions reflect its fear of the Congress party's growing influence, and he asserted that the Gandhi family continues to be revered by millions of Indians who stand for democratic values and freedom. He further stated that the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee will intensify efforts to raise awareness across the state and prevent the public from being swayed by what he described as politically driven misinformation.
The attempt of the BJP to tarnish the integrity and reputation of the Congress and the Gandhi family with the National Herald and Associated Journal Limited case was discussed in length, and we explained to our leadership and to also the people of Meghalaya through our people, through the districts and the blocks, to say that this case has no factual evidence, no money transfer, no government involvement in any form from the time of its origin of this matter till date. And then the government has used enforcement directorate to fabricate a case which is non-existent, to tarnish the image of the Gandhi family and the Congress, which has been fighting for this country from the time of independence till now. The reason why it is because the BJP realizes that despite their short term electoral wins based on propaganda and right wing fundamentalism, it is very clear that they still are insecure about remaining in power, because they are very, very sure about the presence of the Gandhi family and Congress at a high value in every single soul of the people of India and the people in the state of Meghalaya.
Following the recent tragic terrorist attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir, which claimed the lives of 26 civilians, the Indian National Congress has publicly condemned the violence and expressed solidarity with the victims. Party leaders including Rahul Gandhi and Sachin Pilot have extended their support to the government's response to the incident.
Yesterday in Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee office, we had our political executive committee meeting as decided by the AICC, and we passed a resolution on the horrific terror attack in Pahalgam against the civilian citizens, and we unanimously approved and resolved the AICC resolution to support the government of India unanimously against this horrific terror attack and to take any actions against the people who have caused this pain and immense injury to the people of our country. We also resolved to condole the death of the Roman Catholic Pope, the Holiness, His Holiness Pope Francis, who was one of a kind of a peacemaker in this era which we all have witnessed.